Today, I'm sharing 10 best protein-packed dinners that heal and energize your body. These meals are simple, powerful, and perfect for ending your day on the right note. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Food number 1, grilled salmon. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fats, which help reduce inflammation and support heart and brain health. Serve it with vegetables or a side of quinoa for a complete, nourishing meal. Food number 2, chicken breast. Lean chicken breast is one of the most accessible sources of complete protein. Roasted, baked, or stir-fried with vegetables, it provides the building blocks your body needs to repair tissues overnight. Food number 3, lean beef. Beef supplies protein, iron, and other essential minerals. Choose lean cuts and pair them with roasted vegetables or a salad for a dinner that supports muscle recovery and overall vitality. Food number 4, turkey. Turkey is a low-fat protein that's perfect for dinner. Its amino acids help repair muscles and support healthy sleep patterns, making it ideal for evening meals. Food number 5, tofu stir-fry. For a plant-based option, tofu is a complete protein and adapts to any flavor. Stir-fry it with colorful vegetables and a light sauce for a dinner that heals the body and satisfies your taste buds. Food number 6, shrimp or other seafood. Shrimp is low in fat but high in protein and key minerals like selenium, which support antioxidant defenses. Add it to a vegetable stir-fry, salad, or pasta for a light but protein-rich dinner. Food number 7, lentil and chickpea bowls. Combining lentils and chickpeas creates a plant-based protein powerhouse. Add roasted vegetables and a drizzle of olive oil, and you have a dinner that supports repair, digestion, and satiety. Food number 8, eggs and vegetable frittata. Eggs aren't just for breakfast. A frittata with vegetables provides protein, healthy fats, and nutrients that support healing and recovery, all in one simple meal. Food number 9, Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds. For a lighter dinner or evening snack, Greek yogurt delivers protein and probiotics that support gut health, while nuts and seeds provide healthy fats to keep you satisfied. Food number 10, quinoa stuffed vegetables. Quinoa is a complete plant protein, and when stuffed into bell peppers, zucchini, or tomatoes, it becomes a nutrient-dense, healing dinner that balances protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Here's the most important point. Dinner isn't just about ending your day. It's about giving your body the nutrients it needs to recover, repair, and prepare for tomorrow. Protein, combined with vegetables, healthy fats, and fiber, ensures your body can do its natural healing while you sleep. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button so more people can learn how to heal and energize their bodies with dinner. Subscribe to Eat Well, Thrive Well for more videos on food, wellness, and natural healing. And tell me in the comments, which of these dinners will you try tonight? And which one are you most excited about? Because when you eat the right dinner, you don't just end your day, you set up your body to thrive tomorrow.